Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Anything AI. So, Anything AI is a no-code AI-powered development platform that allow user to create a website, web application, dashboard, marketplace, and business tool simply by describing what they want in natural language. So instead of manually designing pages, writing front-end code, and configuring backend services, we can generate entire application through AI prompts. So it combines different models here we can see Claude, GPT, Gemini, and Kimi. So it is one place where we can use these old models and build an AI application without writing any code. It is best for user who don't know how to code or know very less code, but they want to build their applications and uh, anything like that. So basically, uh, we can choose. There are different types of plan also, but the best is auto mode because it automatically detects best mode based on our task. We can also import our design like pre-built design we have in mind, or we are a designer and we have built a design but we don't know how to code. So we can import our design from Figma, and we can also reference from Mobin. It is also There is also a feature to add image, so we can also add an image to it. We also have different integrations of chat gpt, stable diffusion, delhi 3. So yeah, it is basically a no-code development tool used by people like product manager who wants to build something from design, or to give reference to the team, or a solo founder to build their MVP, or people like that. So it's basically we have to give it a prompt, a pretty detailed prompt will be helpful, so that it can generate a site as close as possible. So some key features of anything AI is our natural language app generation. It can also generate modern responsive UI, or it also have database and backend integration. So it also have authentication and user management. These are anything AI is majorly used by people who wants rapid prototyping and real time app editing and deployment. So yeah, let's for example let's build a streetwear e-commerce store using pretty detailed prompt I have already written, and we have described our requirement, and written in pretty detail what we want, what we don't, and what are taglines, etc. So, so this is a prompt we have written, like it is for streetwear fashion brand known as rebel culture, for Gen Zs, young adults who are passionate about streetwear sneakers, oversized fits, street culture, music, limited edition, fashion, rocks, etc. So it's a pretty detailed prompt going to use. So let's see how it goes, how it generates. There is a section for choosing model, like we will leave it to default only, automatically choosing best plan, like it will also choose. We can import our design from Figma, add image, add integrations like ChatGPT, Delhi Diffusion V3. Yeah, so let's give this prompt and let's see how it goes. So while our application is being generated, let us understand what's happening behind the scenes. AI app builder uses large language models to interpret natural language prompts and convert requirement into application component. The AI analyzer the the AI analyzes the requested features by user, define the user interface, create page structure, and generate code, and connect various functionality together. Like while traditionally it required designers, front-end developer, back-end developer, and database engineer, but now we can do it by providing a single prompt. Prompt can be very detailed for the better build, and can be less detailed for like a so-so build. These types of platform are increasingly becoming popular because they dynamically reduced the development time. As prototype that might take few days or weeks, using traditional development method can be often generated in hour or two using these uh, tools. It allow team to focus on more validating idea and less repetitive start setup work. Let's see, like this code is being generated by AI only. So businesses are adopting AI app builder for several reasons. First, they accelerate MVP development for startup. Second, they reduce development costs during initial stages of project. Third, they enable non-technical user to participate in software creation. And finally, they allow team to rapidly test new ideas before committing significant resources to full-scale development. Uh, we can use AI app builder in different building types like e-commerce stores, CRM system, internal business dashboard, booking platform, project management tools, AI powered assistant, learning management system, portfolio website, etc. The quality of generated application often depends on detail and clarity of the prompt provided. So let's give you some prompt engineering tips. When using AI app builder, detailed prompt generally produces better result. Instead of saying build online store, describe the team target audience, design style required, feature pages, integration, and branding preferences. The more context we provide, the better AI can understand our vision. So now our generation of our app is completed. We can see Rebel Culture Premium of Premium Streetwear Experience. Like it has completed the generation of our application. Let's check it out. It's looking pretty cool. Like uh, it's the desktop website view. We'll check out the app view also. It's looking pretty cool. Proper streetwear style. Uh, let's check out the app. Shop collection drops. I see sneaker next drop incoming. Like it's also showing the timer. Here's the checkout page. So basically, it's all generated by AI, and we can also share, uh, invite other people to join the chat and upgrade as they can also chat in this and upgrade this whole. We can also download our code from here, download our project, and also publish using uh, this only. Like we can also generate our domain, custom domain can be also generated. Mobile app can also be submitted to the store from here only. So yeah, which basically it's all in one uh, generated. So let's go to see the marketplace also. So here you can see Rebel Culture, my project. Let's see the templates. I haven't submitted any template, but we can check out other people's templates too. We can also purchase their template so that we can modify and use it as our own. Here's the template. We can buy credits from the app only, and we can buy the template from those credits. Yeah, so it's very simple and easy to use by everyone who don't even know how to code. So yeah, it's anything AI. Thank you.